Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix your Zoom's microphone not working on iPhone. If you're having trouble with your Zoom microphone not working on iPhone, here's how to fix it fast. First, open settings on your iPhone, search for Zoom app, and then make sure the microphone option is toggled on, and then if it still does not work, next open the Zoom app and join a meeting, then tap join with audio. After that, what you're gonna do is make sure mute isn't on at the bottom left. If it still does not work, go ahead and go to settings and then go to privacy and security, and then scroll down and then go to microphone, and then make sure Zoom is allowed there. After that, restart the app and test again. Only allow microphone access for the apps you trust. Extra permissions can risk your privacy. I hope this video helped you on how your Zoom microphone can start working again. If it did, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button, and do not forget to comment down on my video. Thank you guys for so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.